I'm making chimichurri sauce, and it's simple and fresh. It goes well with just about everything. Mince the garlic. I have the chimichurri mix in here. I'm adding some red pepper, some lemon juice, and then some red wine vinegar, a little bit of salt and pepper. Mix it up all together. Then I add some wine, a little bit of wine, your favorite red wine that's not too sweet. You can add a little bit more if you want to taste. Then some oil. Mix it all together. And then you want it to be a little bit more oily with the olive oil so that it enhances the herbs more when you have the olive oil in there, and then the smell of the herbs. The bread has been toasted. Yummy bread for chimichurri sauce. We got the garlicky and herb infused chimichurri to go with the bread and the cheese.